Good morning, traders. Just jumped into SLS on the uptrend. Was waiting for it to test my 50 MA, but never did. Now I kind of see a quick pop and a good pop in volume. Um, so just jumped in 1,000 shares. Really wanted to see the breakout of 150 with a lot of volume. So gonna chill for a second, see what happens with this. Risk is the 50 MA. You guys want to see a breakout of this area. Price target is going to be around before the $2 area, so possible it might take a little long. We're gonna chill out and we're gonna see what happens with this. It's having problems at 150. Flow on this is 16 million. I just bought 1,000 shares just to. Wasn't too sure if this is gonna break out the 150 area, so just to keep our risk low. I really want to see the break of the 150 and then the 169. Still going on a little uptrend. Just broke 150. I'm gonna add probably 500 shares. Just added 500 shares. Want to see this thing break 169, 160 first. Let's see if buyers get it above there. Still above VWAP. Still above the 90 MA. Let's see where this thing goes. Right now, a lot of traders are just looking for any stock to jump on. It's kind of slow. So the first thing they see pop, they'll start jumping in. Trying to get in. Hopefully I got in a little early. Still in our trend, guys. Might take profits if it has problems at 160. Gonna give it a second. Still watching the volume. Got a little gap to fill to $2, you guys. This is a gap down breakout strategy. So got a little gap to fill. That's why I kind of want to be a little patient. We got buyers. Still got buyers coming in, you guys. Still got buyers trying to buy this little nice uptrend. Here we go. Get another little nice pop. Nice little ascending triangle. Stock is being squeezed right now. As long as volume keeps coming in, I want to see a decent breakout. Here we go. We just touched 160. Testing 160. Knocking on 160 right now. I want to see 159, 160 come to the bidder side. Paying attention really more to the bidders right now. Might take some profits at 160, you guys. Here we go, testing at 161. This thing's going, you guys. Want to see some breakout buyers coming in right here. Bid still 160. Just sold 1,000 shares just to lock in profits, you guys, if we have problems right here. Held on 500 just in case for the breakout. Having problems right here. I see some shorts coming in here. Got 500 shares left. This thing's still holding the trend line, still holding a 9 EMA, still holding VWAP. So far, still bullish. So far, still bullish. I just like to take profits, you guys, just in case this thing does crash. Kind of is low float, 16 million. So got to be extra careful with this one. That's why I didn't take a huge position. Alert on Snapchat. Alright, we're gonna check that out later. Been short and snap, been long and snap. Let's see. That's what I always tell you guys. Like, go with the market. Whatever the market tells you to do, do. Like, don't be biased. Just like sometimes, like right now, I've been practicing shorting and just follow the market. It's time to go short. Sometimes I'll short. It's time to go long. Sometimes I'll go long. Don't let that bias fuck you up in trading. So right now, this thing could go either way. As long as it stays in our trend, I'm gonna hold on to 500 shares for a minute. I see some bad volume coming in. A lot of sellers. Want to see a flag pattern right here for him. Being patient for the breakout of 160, you guys. Being patient for a breakout of 160. It's gonna be a little tough right here at 160. Gotta crack that 160. Got a lot of short sellers at 160. Trying to protect that 160 area. Don't see too many buyers coming in at 160. Might take 250 off. Give it 1 second to test view up again. Seeing a lot of sellers coming in. Holding 250. Gonna pause the video for a second, you guys. I could be a little patient with this. See if it tests view up. Locked in most of the profits. Only holding on to 250 shares. What's up, traders? We're right back at it. You guys know I held on to 250 shares just in case it tested VWAP. It's trying to break out again. That's why I bought the video back. I want to see if this thing breaks out. Let's watch the buyers and sellers, you guys. This thing testing again. It could get stuffed again at this level. I want to see it really break out. I want to see these shorts who shorted it the first time right here. I want to see them get squeezed. A lot of shorts are waiting for the test of this. They short double, triple tops. You can see them right here. So let's see. Having problems again. Stock is still kind of in our trend. Still knocking on 160. Come on, 160. How's our 5 minute looking? Staying above VWAP really well right here. Right now it's a fight between VWAP and resistance. Support right here. Two candles held really well right here, right above VWAP, and then resistance 160. Resistance on the daily chart also one. Right now it's 160 from this previous candle. 179 is the next resistance. This thing got a gap to fill to $2, so hopefully they take this thing up. So if they could break the 160, they could go. We could make it to past 179. We could possibly go to $2, 199. That's why I'm being patient with the rest of my few shares. Give this thing some time. Holding the 90 EMA really well. Alright, so this is like a hanging man doji right here, which is a bad sign. Let's see how it closes. Low volume so far on this candle. Still above VWAP, testing 160 again. This might be a third test breakout. Let's see if sellers come in, buyers step up. Buyers, a lot of buyers like to see it break out, then buy. So if it breaks out, you might see a lot of buyers step up. A lot of sellers coming in, 157, trying to break the 9 EMA. So far, I'm up $120 on this thing. Might go back down, only holding on to 250 shares just in case this thing breaks out. Got a wall at 157. Testing VWAP again. This is the ultimate test right here, you guys. If it fails VWAP right here, it could crash back down. If it holds again, you might see some shorts covering. Some buyers might come in right here. If it holds again in our support area. Few buyers stepping up. That still got a little wall, 157. Got to get through that wall. It's got an analyst upgrade today. It's on its FDA approval number 2, I think. I don't read the news too much. Kind of skim through it. Pay attention to mostly the price action. Price action and patterns. Don't want to see a crossover going down. This is a good risk reward trade, you guys. I was risking like 3 to 1, risking about 7 cents to potentially make 20 cents. Maybe 2.5, 3 almost. We'll see what happens with the rest of these shares. Got a lot of short sellers every time we get in the area. Kind of forming a flag on the 5-minute. Gonna pause the video real fast, trying to see what happens with this flag pattern. Oh, Oh, just cracked 150. We're gonna fly in, you guys. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. 3 minute. A lot of short sellers taking it down. Just cracked our flag pattern. Our risk is VWAP, you guys. I just want to see it stay above 150. Cracked. Let's see if 150 becomes resistance. Gonna take $100 real fast, you guys. This thing cracked our resistance, testing 150, failing 150. So we gotta stay in the green, you guys. That's why I always say lock in profits. Don't hold your shares for too long. You see, holding those 250 shares this time kind of went against me. Took a little bit off the P&L, but sometimes they do work really good, you guys. Sometimes they don't. But as long as we're in the green, green is good. Um, Keep this thing on the back burner. I'm trying to see another test maybe of that 50 MA. If it gets down here, I probably potential it'd probably be a good dip buy, good risk reward on that one. So that'll be a quick trade. If I get a chance, I will upload it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe. Any questions, leave in the comments. See you on the next one. Good luck trading. Peace out.